Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on your Tesla Model 3. Proper headlight alignment is essential for both your safety and the safety of others on the road. Misaligned headlights can significantly reduce your visibility at night and potentially blind oncoming drivers. We'll cover both vertical and horizontal adjustments to ensure your beams are perfectly aimed for optimal performance and safety. First, let's tackle vertical adjustment. Park your Model 3 on a flat surface, about 25 feet from a wall. This distance is key for accurate calibration. Open your frunk and locate the vertical adjustment screw on each headlight unit. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, turn the screw clockwise to raise the beam or counterclockwise to lower it, making small adjustments until the beam is at the correct height. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Tesla tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are incredibly comfortable and durable. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Next, we'll look at horizontal adjustment, which is less frequently needed but still important. You'll find the horizontal adjustment screw typically close to the vertical one on the headlight assembly. This adjustment helps center the light beam. Turn the screw slowly, making small increments, to move the beam left or right until it's properly centered on your reference wall. Take your time for precision. After making your adjustments, it's crucial to verify your work. Take your Tesla for a drive on a dark, empty road to observe the beam pattern. Ensure your low beams provide clear illumination without dazzling oncoming drivers. Your high beams should project far ahead and remain centered. Fine-tune as needed until you achieve perfect visibility and courtesy for other road users.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.